To enable or disable the blue light filter on OnePlus 15R, you just have to go to Settings. Next over here, we're gonna go to the Display and the Brightness settings. And after that, we can find the Eye Care option. Now in here we have a bunch of different tools that can be used for the blue light filter, I guess, or as blue light filter. We have the Eye Comfort and Sleep, which automatically adjusts the screen to a warm yellow hue based on environmental changes. You can also choose the custom one for the eye protection over here, and this one allows you to adjust the yellow filter by yourself. You can make it just like a tiny bit. You can apply just a tiny bit of that filter, or you can increase it all the way to high. And besides that, you can create a schedule for that specific eye protection in here, the custom one. We also have display effects, where you can even use a black and white filter. And there is also the eye comfort reminders that you can toggle in case you want to do so. Leave a like and subscribe.